Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the Ruby commands. So let me open the terminal first. So I can define the command with hash. Whatever I will be writing after that, this is a command. Whatever I am writing here that starts with hash will be ignored. For example, I have written here like 3 dot times puts hello. This will not be executed. This is a comment. So what is the purpose of comment? That will be ignored. For example, if we are defining a class, if we are defining some methods that is doing a complex logic like calling the API, generating response and calling some business logics, you can simply define a comment that the purpose of this method is just calling the API and the method is doing this. In one line you can briefly describe the purpose of method. So you can define this one line comment. Also you can also define the multi-line comment as well. So multi-line comment that you can define. So let me just create a class. So just let me create a file that comment.rb. I have created one file that comment.rb. Let me open that comment.rb here. So in one line I can define this is a comment. Okay, suppose if I run this one ruby comment.rb, nothing will be printed. Okay, if I print something here, I am so let me run this one. So it is printing like this, but this is a comment, so that is not printing. So now I will talk about the multi-line comment. Multi-line comment you can define with begin. Okay, whatever you can write here now end. So whatever you written inside this, that will be ignored. Now let me run this one and 3 dot times puts hello. So everything whatever you will return here, so that will be ignored. Now let me run this. See, this is ignored, this is ignored. Now only running this, so it is considered this as a Ruby code and everything else is ignored. Now let me talk about some Ruby gets. So let me clear this. Okay, so what is Ruby gets? Suppose you are writing a Ruby program and you want uh, a user input, and for example I am printing here puts what is your name. Okay, and now I am asking user name is gets, and now I am printing puts name. What I am doing here, I am asking what is your name, then this method is will wait for the user input and assign this into the name, and now we are printing this name. So that's a simple code. I am running it from the terminal ruby comment.rb. Now what is your name? It is asking a user that what is your name. I will provide Neetesh Gupta, and now I will hit enter. So it has written Neetesh Gupta because it is printing this name. Whatever I will be writing here, blah blah, it will return this because I have written this like this. So that's the purpose of gets. It will wait for user's input and then you can use it accordingly. Now let me show you one more thing. Chomp is a method that is used to remove the new line. So this gets method will take a new line. Let me show you in the terminal for a better illustration. Name is equal to gets. Okay, now it will wait for the user's input. Now I am writing Neetesh Gupta. Okay, now I will run name. So name, it has included Neetesh Gupta, but it has included a new line. Gets method is taking the new line. Now I want to remove this one, that's why I will run this gets dot jump. Now it will ask for Neetesh. It will ask for the user input. I am providing the Neetesh Gupta. Now it is returning this one, name Neetesh Gupta. So chomp is a method that is removing this new line, and gets is used to take the user's input. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.